Okay, so in our previous video, we have started with A star. We have seen how to compute in cost, and we were doing this particular example. I guess we have learned this slide. So further, now what we have to do is, like, we have traced path from A to F. Okay, so now again go back to your step second as per the algorithm. Open is not empty, go to step 3. Okay, so you are exploring F. What is the child of F? If you check here, okay, F, okay, we were exploring F. So the node that you explore goes to the closed list, hence F comes over here. Check if F is goal. No, go further. Expand F. Okay, so what are the children of F? G and H. G and H are not the goal states. Okay, so further, so G and H cannot be reached from, they can be reached from node F. They are the children of F. Both are not the goal states. So again, compute F for G as well as H. Okay, I'll show you how to compute F for G as well as H. So here, F's children are G and H. So F of G is given as 1 plus 3 plus 5. So it is like that. G of N for G is nothing but 3 plus 1. Okay, so G of N is 3 plus 1 and H of N is 5. So 3 plus 1 plus 5 will give me F of N for this node G. Similarly, F of N for this node H is found as 3 plus 7. This is G of N plus 3, which is nothing but H of N. So in this fashion, you have to find F of G and F of H. Again, you need to compare. Fine. Which one is less? G. So further, you're going to explore G. Put G, H to open. B is already there in open. You put G and H because they are newly explored and they were not there in open. Okay. So add each successor to open if they are not already there. Further, what part did we get? From A we went to F, from F we went to G. Next, open is not empty. So go to step 3. Step 3, okay. Again I have to decide. I had 3 things in open, G, H and B. I have to decide which one is with minimum value of H of N. So which is with minimum value of H of N? This is what I need to check. So if you will check, this is 9, this is 13. And what about for B? B it is 14. So 9, B is maximum, leave it. H is 13, it is also bigger. So G is having minimum F value. So further you will be expanding G. I hope you are getting this. So G I need to remove from open, put it into closed. Okay, I am going to expand this G. What is children of G? G has only one child, I. Okay, so see back, I go to the diagram. G has only one child, that is I. Okay, so expand it as well as find I for F for I. What is F of this? G plus H. What is H? 1. What is G? Start from source node. 3 plus 1 plus 3. Okay, 3 plus 1 plus 3. 7 plus 1 for heuristic. So in this fashion, I have got F value for I, that is 8. Go to the node I. Okay, now I is my child, so I'll be putting I in open. Okay, newly found node. It was not there in open, so I added it into open. So what is my new path now? A, F, G, I. Fine. Again go to step 2. Open is not empty, go to step 3. So from step 3, I am having 3 things, I, H and B. F value of I is minimum among all the 3. So we select I to be expanded further. So I is put into the closed list. Is I a goal node? No. So go beyond that. Expand I. So what are the children of I? So check the diagram over here. What are the children of I? E, J, I is also connected to H. So E, J and I. Sorry, we wanted to find children of I. I is connected to E, J and H. Fine, these are the three children of I. So F, I need to find F for E, for H and for J. Fine. Again we need to go to the diagram. For I need to find, suppose for E. So what is the F value for E via I? So start from the start. 3, 1, 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 is G of n plus 3, which is my H of n. This will give me F of n for E. Compute for J. For J it is 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, will give me G value for it. Okay, plus what do I need to add? G of n plus H of n. H of n is 0 for goal node. Mind well, J is my goal node, its heuristic is 0. Okay, and the third one is H. So how will I go to H? 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 will give me G of n plus 3. Okay, I didn't use this part to come to H. Why? Because H is being explored as child of I. Okay, I is being explored as child of G, G is being explored as child of F. So this is our path A, F, G, I, H. We have to maintain it. Okay, so how will you get F of n for this? It's 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus heuristic value 3. Okay, it will give me these values. Okay, so H is already there on the open list with its F value as 13. So H is already there. Other things like what we explored now is E and J. I'll be putting it on the open list. So this is my open list. Fine. Again you have to do sorting of these three things. What is the minimum among all? Is J. Okay, so your path will be A, F, G, I, J. And see, while doing this, okay, while sorting, you also have to compare it with old path of H. As H was already there in open list, its value is 13. So old H is 13. Okay, so this is our path. Finally we have come to J. Okay, so further what will be done? You will go back to step 2. Step 2, your open list is not empty. Step 3 will ask you to find the node with minimum F value. So your answer is J. Further, step 3 itself will ask you to compare the node with goal. Is it your goal? Your answer is yes. So you will exit with success. So your path is this: A to F to G to I and finally to J. This is the optimal solution that you have found using A star algorithm. What is the cost of this path? Cost is 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 0. Okay, so it's 10. Answer is 10. Okay, so here we have one more problem. Again for A star, what I have to do is we have to perform A star on this figure and you have to write explicitly the Q. Okay, I'll tell you in further value what is the Q. So this is the problem. Fine. Again, this is your start state, this is your goal state. Start state has 17 as its heuristic. Okay, goal node has 0 as the heuristic. All the nodes heuristics are there in red. Okay, then path I can go from C to D using 6, that is the cost in order to go from C to D. Cost for going from E to F is 4 and so on. Okay, so I'll continue this in next video. We will see this example. Thank you.